Hello everyone, I am Stella and welcome to vlog. What you see is Lubi Lubi or Nilupak. It is a homemade Ilocano cuisine made up of different crops with the use of mortar and pestle. Here are the ingredients. This is unripe banana, peeled and boiled. This is cassava, boiled until tender. The tough veins in the middle already removed. Next is the coconut. This is not so young and not so old, grated coconut. Then next is the glutinous rice. It was cooked as normal. Then we have here sugar and margarine. These are the basic ingredients of Lubi Lubi. So let's get it on. So we brought the ingredients here outside to be processed. So these are the banana, the cassava, sugar, margarine, glutinous rice, and coconut. And this is the pestle and the mortar, and it is already cleaned and washed with water. So this is a pair of alo and alsong, as we say, for mortar and pestle. We are now ready to pound, starting with the boiled unripe banana. We need to be more careful so that it will not jump just like that. Then, followed by the boiled cassava. We just have to estimate the amount of the different ingredients that we add using our discernment according to the taste that we prefer. Pounding is quite easy at this point since the gluten has not yet come out. But later, it will be more challenging when we add this glutinous rice. Then, we are going to add the coconut and the margarine to make it greasy and easier to pound, aside from the flavor that it brings. And then the sugar to make it a little bit sweet. Here is the secret ingredient. I am not sure why they add this soda, but maybe it acts like additional sweetener, and at the same time, it loosens the batter as it becomes sticky at this point. As I can see, it is now becoming harder to pound. So, I'd like to take my turn while the pestle can still be lifted up. The sound that it produces is funny, that you don't need to listen to. This requires energy and strength, but a good exercise for the arms. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so by hitting that red subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you will be notified on our next videos. You may also comment down below so we can interact. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please let me know by clicking the like button. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to us. At this point, it has to be take turns as it is now very sticky and stretchy. We have to ask rescue that is stronger to lift the vessel.
Talaga nga ko. Inigad siya at yung kingwayo pandog. Inigad kung pa yung dumoon na natin ka na. Inigad, ano pa, laki mo. Kasi amin lang di uno na. Malok-talok takay. Eh, padas ka, ano?
Sige, panindigan mo yan.
Nalpasan ka 10 minutes.
That is so amusing to watch. And since that is the until of our strength, then we have to remove it from the mortar for the next batch again until everything is pounded. The Ilocanos use this activity as a way of bonding, especially to the ladies and gentlemen back then. A lot of courtships happened during the pounding of Lubi Lubi.
Ay, ang agbayo.
Nakmano mo magbayo. Since everybody will share in the eating of this Lubi Lubi, it is but fair that everybody will also have a share in the pounding. As they say, the more, the merrier. So after a tiring pounding, comes next this delicious nilupak or lubi lubi to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.